Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Resident Evil Requiem's dstoragecore.dll crash. So first is identify the dstoragecore.dll error. So the crash shows this one application error referencing dstoragecore with exception code this one. So you may see this in the Windows event viewer or as a crash dialog. So this error occurs when the direct storage components are missing, corrupted, or incompatible. Next is install the Microsoft Direct Storage Runtime. So visit the official Microsoft website and download the latest Direct Storage Runtime, and then install it and restart your PC. So Direct Storage is required for modern games that use GPU accelerated asset loading, and a missing or outdated runtime causes the dstoragecore.dll crash. Next is run system file checker. So open command prompts or administrator and run sfc or scan now. So this scans all the protected system files and repairs any corrupted ones. So just wait for the scan to complete. So it may take 10 to 15 minutes. So if issues are found, then you have to restart your PC after the repair. Next is repair Visual C++ redistributables. So go to Windows Settings, tap on the Applications, tap on Installed Apps, and find all Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. So click on each one and select Modify and then Repair. So these runtime libraries are essential for the game since corrupted redistributables cause DLL crashes. Lastly is game running smoothly after running or installing the direct storage, repairing system files, and fixing Visual C++. Resident Evil Requiem should run without the dstorage crash. So this one exception should no longer occur as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!